This is the anchor system with external chains. The control. Port side and the starboard side, two chains. This is the compartment, and those are the main controls. The main controls up and down per each chain. And this is the chain, and this is the final end. The final end of the chain is with a piece of rope, and the rope is anchored over there, and those are the motors. Those motors are hydraulic motors. You remember I explained before, those are the hydraulic motors, that the input and that the output of the pressure. That's the hydraulic motor, and this is the unit, and this is the chain for the starboard side, and this is the chain for port side, and this is the other hydraulic motor. Those hydraulic motors receive the fluid from the central hydraulic unit that you have on the screen right now. As you can see, those chains are in perfect condition. This area is a completely dry area in order to avoid interference in between the chains and any other obstacle. This is a perfect compartment, completely clean, completely dry, and those are the hydraulic units, and those are the controls for the port side chains, and this is the control for the starboard side chain. The captain, just remove the control over there and activate both hands.